All right, our contestants are ready. 1, 2, 3. Judges are ready. In 3, 2, 1, fight. Two spinners spinning up hard. Oh God, Utopia going straight into the huge wall of Megadonk. And Wilson standing back watching, hoping that he won't be the first one out. As Utopia goes for the remaining wheel. Oh God, yep. There goes a chunk of it. Utopia now chasing after. Oh, nice hard hit to the front arm there. Dislodging partially the arm and bending the wall that is that wedge on the front of Megadon G. Wilson's blade is holding up. Yeah, okay, I thought I saw it coming out, but Utopia going into Wilson's weapon, trying to knock that out. It's about the only scary thing at this point. But Utopia just looks like it hasn't been doing anything all day. Just like, yeah, I'll just take care of that for you. Here. Did I take one wheel out before? Let me take a second. There we go. Oh, almost gets a push, but looks like he got hung up on Obamacare. That's why politics never go anywhere. And Utopia, we got smoke coming out. Smoke coming out. What is going on that one? Wilson is not moving. Oh, big weapon going off the side there. Judges, pause the fight. Pause the fight. We've got a fire. We're going to take this one out. Grab the box. I don't know what went wrong there, but it's not stopping. All right, we're ready to start up in 3, 2, 1, fight. All right, Utopia spinning right back up like nothing even happened. Trying to take out his opponent. Oh, unfortunately, Megadon not moving. Minute 38, the win goes to Utopia. Congratulations, Dennis. And that darn steel bar that just nobody can beat that steel bar.